So let's take out all the rust.
Not too bad.
Yeah, we're gonna etch it. This one is stainless, so we can just put it on the tray straight away. But this one better.
Both work.
But which one? So we're gonna get rid of this older one, replace it with the new one. So I got this from Nordic Etch. Let's see how good is it. Now we're gonna get that baking soda. Okay. All them is cleaned up now, and we're gonna force the patina, the oxidations, and prevent it from rusting again. So Tate don't have to keep cleaning it up every time we're sharpening. So yeah, I'm very excited. This is the first time I'm using this new solution from Nordic Etch. There you go. Yeah, maybe half of that. So this one acting as neutralized after we dipped it into this one. Oh yeah, baby. This is probably very mild. I'll mix so much water.
Are we leaving it to dry at all, or is it straight there to there?
No, no need. You can just go straight in there. I'm just curious, wanna see how it's like, but we can leave it in the water.
I think also this one rusts a lot faster though. The metal's more reactive.
Yeah.
There's like no filler agent in it.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's almost instant.
Look at that. Okay, take it out, show us. Amazing. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's an instant patina.
Yeah, show us the before one. Oh yes.